Ai, ai. Ai đi đâu rồi? Ôm em đi. Con. Con.
Start by opening Reddit in your browser. To discover communities interested in your product, type "What are you building?" into the search bar. This search will help you find posts and subreddits where people actively discuss their projects. Scroll through the results to identify promising discussions. For instance, here's a post titled, "What are you building right now?" in the r/side project community. Click on the post to explore it further. Notice how this community is designed for sharing side projects. Join the subreddit to become part of the community. Then click Create to make your own post. Enter a concise title for your app, like My App. In the body text, provide a brief description and include a direct link to your product. For example, "This is my app, www.za.com." After reviewing, click Post to share your project with the community. Next, return to your search results to find more relevant subreddits. Hover over names like r/buildinpublic to see community details, then click to join. Continue this process, joining other communities such as r/indiehackers and r/SAS to maximize your reach and connect with potential users and collaborators. By actively participating in these "What are you building?" discussions and relevant subreddits, you can effectively showcase your project and attract your first users on Reddit. Start by opening